In today's video, I'm going to teach you the complete process of resetting your Calendly account for 2025. Whether you're refocusing your scheduling system or starting fresh, this guide will walk you through every essential step. Before we dive in, make sure you're at your computer or smart device and logged into the internet. This will help streamline the process and ensure everything runs smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Calendly homepage. Calendly is a powerful tool that helps automate appointment scheduling by coordinating your availability with that of others seamlessly. It's especially popular among professionals who need a reliable way to manage meetings without the usual back and forth emails. Once you're on the Calendly site, you'll want to move forward by logging in. To do this, locate the Continue with Google button on the login page. Clicking this button allows you to authenticate through your Google account, simplifying the sign-in process and saving you from remembering another username and password. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Be sure to have them handy. After clicking Continue, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Select the appropriate account you'd like to associate with Calendly. In case you have multiple Google accounts, choose the one that matches the email address you've been using with Calendly. If this is a new setup, you can select whichever account you'd like to use moving forward. Remember, linking your Google account provides a number of advantages. For instance, it allows Calendly to seamlessly integrate with Google Calendar, ensuring that your scheduled appointments appear directly in your calendar view. Now, once your account is connected, you might wonder if everything is set up correctly. If so, consider reloading the page. Clicking the reload button, often represented by a circular arrow at the top of your browser, will refresh your dashboard and show any recent updates. This step can also resolve any temporary glitches or display issues that may have arisen during the login process. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to reset your Calendly setup for 2025. By leveraging the integration between Google and Calendly, you're creating a streamlined scheduling experience that saves time and reduces stress. Whether you're setting up recurring meetings or booking one-off appointments, Calendly provides an efficient, user-friendly interface to keep your schedule organized. I hope this guide was helpful, offering you clarity and ease as your digital life expands in today's fast-paced world. Feel free to revisit any of the earlier steps if you need a quick refresher, and keep exploring the features that Calendly offers for even more customized scheduling. Thank you for joining me today.